You haven't started? Oh.
You ready? No, I'm ready.
Babe, go.
Beat him up.
Oh.
He hit him in the face.
Hit him again.
Dang.
What's Terrence doing?
I have
He's
no
not
clue.
even fighting back.
Exactly. He's gonna lose.
They move around too much.
They do. Just stay in the street. Shut up. That's a pretty dog. Come on, Terrence.
Hit him again, babe. Hit him
No,
again.
I'm not ready. And then it's like whooping his ass.
Because you're slow. He's fast.
God damn it. Run over there with it. Run over there with him because I can't move fast enough.
All right. Why you gotta scoot back? Fight back.
Stop backing back. Stop being scary.
You say you can beat him up. Go.
Like this the whole time. That's how you fight. You be rushing on them hoes. Look at that face. You got knocked off.
Your face is all red.
Look, get a picture of his face. Get a picture. Oh!
I can't get a picture. Come on, Terrence. You got this.
Use yours, baby. Use yours, baby. Get that other side. Get that. You can tell Terrence is left-handed the way he's boxing.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Oh!
Oh, I wasn't recording.
Oh! Ooh, I know somebody else had to see that one.
Excuse me. Terrence, you did good. Breaking that sweat. Huh?
You not recording that?
Yeah.
Oh, you said you weren't recording.
Well, for a minute.
It's already been a minute.
No, keep going until someone's lose. I want someone getting knocked out. I mean, Ishani getting knocked out. Good job. You get some McDonald's.
I told him a minute round. It's been a minute?
He lost. Yeah. It was 2 minutes.